Hello everyone. Today is Sunday, July 28th. The time is 1:36 p.m. and the temperature right now is 29 degrees Celsius. And here we are at 240 Wellesley. Boa, where are we going?
हामी एलिभेटर थिचेर माथि जाने एलिभेटर थिच्नु
Here we go inside the building.
अब
Cut. Up or down?
Yes.
Up or down? Up.
Up.
I like that chime. So which floor are we going? Which floor?
You may
Whatever you like. Up.
To see our room?
Yeah. Nine floor. 9 over 9. We look outside the.
Our floor?
You take it.
ल
तिमीले लिएर जाऊ अब हामीले कता कता घुमाउँ
होइन यो पहिला 9 over 9 मा जाने
जाने अन्त
राइट थ्याङ्क यू सर कता कति तल आयो खै कता लेखेको छ
We're gonna see 909.
Yes. First of all, we go and see from outside. 909. Hello.
Boa.
Hazır.
That's new.
Yes.
Boa.
Hazır.
No, Derek. Where's 913? There it is, but we're not gonna go inside.
Photo take a picture. That outside. Yes,
Took a picture of it.
Right.
Now, are we gonna go back down to the ground?
No. One time we can go upside. In 23, 24.
There isn't any 13s. Are we going up or down?
Up.
Up some more?
कसकोमा जाने
होइन बाहिर हेर्ने अप जाने अनि डाउन जाने रमाइलो बुक लागि त्यो गर्नु पर्यो
July 96 notice to all humans.
What paint? Where are we going down to?
24.
Okay. Let's go up to the 24th floor.
यो दिन अगाडि भरे फेरि मलाई
No 13.
राइट थ्याङ्क यू यो भरे मलाई जान्दिएन भने कलर चाहिँ पठाइदिएको छ
अनि अघि त त्यही भनेर त पठाउनु भएको नि अब भाइले ड्याडले पठाउनु भएको थियो
This building has 30 floors.
Yeah. Let us up. Yeah, over. Let us add up. Go up down.
Up some more?
Up down.
Up?
To the base. To the base.
Let's go up to the penthouse. Let's go up to the penthouse first, then we're gonna go down to the basement.
Yes. कतो पुऱ्याउँदै अहिले
सबै चढ्ने भयो
Are we gonna go down to the basement?
Yes.
No. आफै रोकियो आफै तल जान्छ
So we're going down to the basement.
फेरि हुन्छ Yes.
पहिला त माथि जान्छ फेरि के भएछ
Get a cab view.
Oh.
Look in the mirror. Hi. Then we're gonna go back up to the lobby.
Yeah.
लबी
सिरानमा गुर्यायो 909 हेऱ्यो मम्मी किन्न आएको थियो नि फेरि
The design looks new. Back up to the lobby again. Because lobby is where we're ending at, and it's where?
No, exit garden.
We're going up. We're at P1. We're at parking level 1. Well, the designs are new. I like the new designs inside here. Where are we going up to? Lobby? Going up, what floor?
Yes, please.
S? What floor?
Louis.
Lobby? 3? Close the door. What? Oh, that's a lot.
No, nothing there.
Here's the lobby. That was a fun elevator ride. That was a fun elevator ride, and that's it.